Hi guys! Hey! It is another day and we're back with MX Breaks Lifestyle Entertainment. Guys, it's the middle of the week. We're halfway done, halfway left to go. So here's what we've got for you. The Silhouette Challenge is causing commotion. Guys, who's done theirs? And Disney Channel announces Black Panther spin-off series. Let's break it all down. In November, Kennedy and Tracy Osei welcomed their twins and shared the good news with the world. However, they refrained from sharing pictures. The couple got married in a public and lavish wedding in February of 2020. Just yesterday, Kwame Despite, business mogul and Kennedy's father, celebrated his birthday and was presented with the newborns. At an all-white gathering in his home, Kwame Despite got the chance to hold his grandchildren. I mean, it's beautiful. We've got a short clip of that moment right here. Let's check it out.
Not today. Wow. Grandpa. Wow. Great. Amen. Great. Amen. Grandpa, cheese.
I like how they're just standing in the background, just clapping, like, congratulations, this is lovely. I mean, it's beautiful. Can you imagine your first set of kids and it's twins? That's beautiful. Congratulations to them. So, the Silhouette Challenge. If you don't know about the Silhouette Challenge, you have been living under a rock. This new TikTok trend follows the success of Bust It Challenge. And my, oh my, celebrities and regular people have hopped right on it. We've got a few of them, so let's check them out.
Put your head on my shoulder. Put your head on my shoulder. Trying to get in my cook, 'cause you were one in a million, there ain't a man like you. You could have fantasies that in real life ways. Put your head on my shoulder. Put your head Put your head on my shoulder.
Some of these are really impressive. Can you imagine? Did you notice that some guys have been doing them as well? It's interesting. Rapper Stefflon Don, however, has declared that her fans should stop requesting some from her. She's decided that it's a trend for single women. Chloe Bailey, on the other hand, has faced a lot of backlash for her version of the challenge, with people claiming that the 22-year-old is posting too much explicit content. I mean, guys, the internet is honestly in everybody's business. She's a grown woman. She can do whatever the heck she wants to do. I don't know. Who's next to try it out? Let's see. So, Disney has officially decided and declared that they will be doing a Black Panther Kingdom of Wakanda spin-off series. It will be available on Disney+, and the director, Ryan Coogler, who brought us the Black Panther movie, is said to help with it as well. In speaking about the subsequent movie, Coogler shared that the King T'Challa won't be recast after the passing of Chadwick Boseman, nor will they digitally reconstruct him. That was a bittersweet news to the fans, but the respect is appreciated. There are no dates for the spin-off just yet, but Black Panther 2 is scheduled to hit theaters on July 8th, 2022. We really wanted it in 2021, but we will have to wait. I don't know, I'm excited. I'm glad they're not digitizing Chadwick Boseman. It was sad. We all know Michelle Obama and Barack Obama were trending during the US presidential inauguration for their amazing outfits. And now 2 adorable children are following in their footsteps and also trending. Ryleigh and Zayden, dressed up as the former president and first lady, stood in front of the Capitol Hill and had their photo shoots. It was all over the internet, to the point where Michelle Obama herself saw the post and commented on it. Ryleigh has her own Instagram page run by her mother, who dresses her up in different famous people. She did one of Kamala Harris, the current US Vice President, and I think it's very cute. So let's have a look at that.
Just because the length of your hair ain't long, and they often criticize you for your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high, 'cause you a pretty woman. Get your runway spot.
That's probably the cutest video I've seen this whole week. I don't know, it's now my favorite. But that's all we've got for you today. This has been MX Breaks Lifestyle Entertainment. I'm Zala, and I'll catch you in another episode. Bye.